How to cash out on Etoro. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out on Etoro. So in order to cash out on Etoro, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and open up your Etoro app. Once you open up your Etoro application in the investment platform, click the withdraw fund option in the left hand side menu. Now I'm unable to show you the procedure because of some security concern. The screen is not available. So just make sure to follow the instructions. Now you'll have to enter in the amount you wish to withdraw in the USD, or select the cryptocurrency type, or select the currency type as well. Then you need to choose eToro money as a method of withdrawal. Now once you've done that, click the withdraw to eToro money. Then you'll be receiving a confirmation message. Then go through it, and after you've done that, you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully cashed out on eToro. So in that way you can cash out on eToro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.